Hi, STEMsters. Don't throw that bottle away, because today we're going to use it for STEM. Hi, STEMsters. Today, we're going to learn the scientific principle of a balloon. There's two. The first one is Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And the second is elastic potential energy. That means as we blow up this balloon, we're storing energy. Each breath is held right in here. And now by closing off the end, all this potential energy is ready to be released. Once I release this energy, there goes Newton's law, third law of motion. All the energy coming out is going to push the balloon to this direction. Let's find out. There it goes. So today, we're going to use both those scientific principles in building a balloon power car. We're going to fill up the balloon, and the car is going to move forward. Let's find out how to do it. First, these are the parts and tools you're going to need to build your balloon power car. First, from your recycle bin, a bottle, and a glue gun or tape, knife or scissors, a Sharpie pen, 3 straws, bendable straws, at least one, and 2 skewers and 4 bottle caps. And of course, a balloon. Welcome back, STEMsters. Now that you have your balloon power car, let's give it a test drive. First thing you want to do is to blow up the balloon. So we'll just blow in from the straw. Now pinch the straw and the air won't be released, and place it on the ground somewhere, and make sure you mark where you start and let her go. There it goes. Now you can mark where it ended and write that information in your data logbook. Now try to make some changes. Maybe a bigger balloon or a smaller balloon. You could change the tires to make them bigger, like bigger caps. Try this outside on the sidewalk or in the grass. See if it acts differently. And make sure you keep track of all your data. Until next time, I'm Professor Jim. And don't forget to subscribe. Just press the button somewhere on there and visit our website at ProdigySTEM.com. Bye.